Now, the main quality parameters that we assess for on maltings are obviously germination. It's got to grow, so that's a given. But the other things that we look for are nitrogen content and screenings. And some samples were coming in with quite high screenings amounts, and we're talking sort of 15, 20% plus. And our parameters are we try and get them sub 10%, but 15% is where we're going at. But a lot of them are coming in 15%, and also coupled with that high nitrogen as well. But the question that's coming up all the time is, well, why was it such a screening year? How do screenings occur? This is little light barley that you don't want to appear into your sample. Well, it's basically grains that haven't filled well enough. So we're looking at sort of big, bold grains. We want to be 63 kilos, under 10% screenings. But a lot of these ones are really, really little light grains. So you're down to sort of 40 kilo spec weights and things like that. And how does it occur? Basically, when the plants got sown this year, or when a barley plant gets sown, seed gets sown, you plant one seed and then it produces tillers, side shoots. And all the time that's doing, I'm not going to talk about the weather too much, but you need moisture to sustain them tillers. Obviously, as well documented, it was a dry year. So a lot of them tillers maybe didn't make it, they sort of aborted. So you ended up with maybe primary shoots. But then when the rain did come, it sort of got into there and it produced what we call these secondary tillers. So late tillers came in. So the greens in amongst barley